you would be happy to know that we are launching a course called Art and Science of Practical Spirituality. So it's a course that has 5 themes. We'll be discussing how science and spirituality could be integrated, particularly exploring the connection between rational inquiry and the transcendental knowledge that we find in spiritual domains. The second theme would be comparative knowledge systems. We'll analyze Indian Western epistemologies, the ontologies they define, and how the knowledge evolves over the centuries. So we'll discuss that. We'll also touch upon the ideas of notions of theism, atheism, and how its place in scientific thought. And also we'll touch upon some key issues in science, like consciousness, reincarnation, theory of karma, that forms the basis for Eastern philosophies. So, and also we'll talk about a very practical thing, dharma and ethical living. So how practicing spirituality can be so harmonious. So these are some of the key points that we'll be covering in this course. Yeah, these are the instructors. So this course is a 15-session course starting from 9th of March. And the classes would happen on Sundays, 7:30 p.m. IST, Indian Standard Time. And there would be, of course, official certificate because Institute for Science and Spirituality, it is a recognized Indian Knowledge Systems Research Center by Ministry of Education, Government of India. So yeah, these are the course details. You can browse through our webpage. I'll also paste the link and you can register. And the last date for enrollment is 8th of March.